Emergency Response Center. I'm firefighter KICKI. There is an emergency call for help. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire! Firefighter KICKI sets off! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter KICKI is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete! Let's fill the fire truck with water! Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose. Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose.
Move the red switch to raise the cutout.
There is an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter KICKI is on the way. Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. Tap the person person in the water and throw a life buoy. The person in the water and throw a life buoy. Rescue mission completed! Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby fox is... Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Tap the baby fox to catch it with a net bag. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, Kiki.